right, so I just received the digital voice recorder in the mail. So let's check it out. Let's look in the box, see what we got, and then we're going to do a video on it. Here we go. Here's the unveiling. You guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Set the box over there. And I do believe that this is the unit. And what's underneath here? Let's see. Oh, look at this. There is a card reader with it. There's plug-in earphones, USB. I'm not sure what these are. And some microphone-like screws and things. And this is, that's interesting. That's, I guess, so you can connect to this. As you can see, this is the old traditional type, right? So let's set that in there. Now let's take a look and see what the heck this is. We're gonna have to get some, oh, look at it, it's a pen. Oh, interesting. This is where you want to be sneaky, I guess. For what look at that. There's one side. And let's get this part out. I wonder if it also writes. All right, let's get rid of this stuff. All right, so here it is. There it is. That's, oh, look at that. So I think we have to charge it, right? And let's see if the pen, oh, look at that. It's got a pen in it too. All right, so we've got to charge it. That's important. And so it does come with a USB to regular. Let's go ahead and open that up. Get this thing out of there. All right, so yeah, this is just your regular USB. So we can plug that in. I've got one of these already anyway, and we can use that. And just so you know what this is, let's go ahead and open it up. Let me set that in there. And apparently those must be more heads for the pen, right? Oh, I hate when you can't get stuff out of it. Oh, check it out. So this is so you can listen. So you can plug this in and listen. That is very interesting. All right, so, and then this is garbage. And this thing here, what is this? Let's take a look at this thing. This is does this open up? Don't make it too hard for us. Ah, there we go. All right, so this must be this is a card reader? Let's see what we got. Look at this. Does it come apart? Micro SD. It's got to be a way it comes apart. Do I have to actually read the directions? I don't want to do that. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so check that out, look. So that is your micro SD, like USB. So apparently you can, keep this on your keychain and download, USB on here. I don't know why we have that, but all right, so that's what comes in the box. Now we just got to figure out how to use this thing, right? Okay, so we don't need a USB-C. We need this to connect on here. So we got to go ahead and grab that. And if you look, wrong side. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Oh, there it is. So there is our plug-in right there, right? So that's the one that goes in there. Notice we've got to get the, the beveled side on the right part where you put it in. And then that just got to go in there like that. And then you got a little red flashing light. We just got to wait for this thing to charge. And then we'll try this bad boy out. And what's cool about this is, look, we can actually really write with it. Not only can we record, but we can write. And of course you get your basic USB to traditional plug-in. Then you've got your headphones here. Then you've got your headphone adapter. And you've got, it looks like this is to raise your volume, lower your volume, and to move forward. And so you got that thing there. And then I do believe they also gave, and this, oh, here's our USB, little drive that you can use. And then here, look at, if you run out of ink, we got more ink. How do you like those apples? All right, so we'll just let that charge, and then we're going to give it a shot and see how we like it. And just so for your edification, if you guys want to, you can go ahead and take a little screenshot. That's basically what this box that it came in. All right, so we've had this in there, and I do believe it looks like we got a blue light. That's good. So let's just go ahead and unplug it. As you can see, it's the regular USB. And then right here, you're gonna see you got your micro SD card. So you guys know how it goes in. It's going to go with the gold forward and facing up. And then you just kind of slide it in there like that. And that's what it's going to record on. And then to hook it all together, you got to get your one end here, right? And then we're just going to screw it on, just like that. Okay, now we're on there. And look, look, check this out. You can write with it. So it's like a pen, right? You make sure you pull this back though before you put it back in your pocket. So once it's all charged up and ready to go, to record, what you have to do is you have to hold this button down, and then you're going to see this turn on and flash. Then you let go. Now it is recording. All right, when you're done recording, what you have to do is press down and hold. Okay, and then you let go. Now, to listen to it, you're going to unscrew this. Put that to the side. We'll put it here so you guys can see it. And then, you've already seen this. I've already hooked this together. So I'm going to do it again. So then we're going to take the headphones. We're just going to smush it into this little connector here. And then the connector itself, you've got to put in that little port there, right? So you're going to go ahead and get her in there like that. Now, to listen to it, you put these on your ears. I'm just going to slide them over here for a second. So to listen to it, first what you've got to do is you got to press and hold, and you're going to see a blue light. There it is. See how it turns blue? Now you come here and you can press play here, or stop it, or you can raise it, or you can lower it, the volume, right? So that's how you're going to play it. And let me go ahead and shove one of them in my ear here, just so I can see. Yeah, I'm hearing it right now. So when I come to here and I press this, sound goes up. Press this, sound goes down. Press here, stops. Press again, starts. All right? To stop the whole thing, I just come here, hold it, and it turns it off. Bam. See the light go out? And bam, Bob's your uncle. Then you just go like that. All right? Make sure that your card's in there. Now you can take the card out and put it in a card reader and, and download this information. Or you can just leave it in there for now. And I'll put this back on here. All right, we're going to test all that out right now and see how it works. Now let's press our button here. Press it and we'll hold it. Now this is supposed to be recording. You see the little flash right there? So now we've got to see if we're recording anything. To stop the recording, I think all we do is press the top here, hold it, and we got the flash, right? So we should have something in there. So let's go ahead and unscrew it. Cross your fingers this worked. All right, so we're learning what not to do, right? Okay, so we're gonna put this in here. Smush it in. Okay, it's in. So to start it, you gotta press this and hold it. The light's gonna come here. See it? Now I can hear it. So it's definitely working. To stop it, you just press here. Bam, done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out of here, right? And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this SD card here, I'm gonna pull it out, okay? And I have an SD card reader here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it inside here, just like that. All right, and then I'm gonna stick this in my computer so that you guys can hear it. All right, let's do that. Here's our adapter for our micro SD card. We're just gonna shove it in here. I think I have to go, let's see which way do we do it. Oops, that's not it. Oh, it's over here. Different one. All right, put it in here. Okay, now it's in there, right? Now we should see it. Here it is right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so there's a record. And now I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And we'll just play it. Right there. So now we've got to see if we're recording anything. To stop the recording, I think all we do is press the top here, hold it, and that's it. So it definitely recorded it. Now if we want to clean this, of course, we can just go like this, pull this into the garbage, and then we just hit empty trash. Boom, and that's gone. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this out. Pull her out of there. Let's grab our micro SD card, which we've already cleaned. And let's go ahead and put her right back in where we found her here. So remember, when you put this in, gold up towards your port for your USB, just like that. Push her in, bam, Bob's your uncle. Then we just take this, screw it on there. And not only do you have a pen, but now you got a secret agent weapon that you can record your conversations with. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.